made just in the nick of time.
Holy cow. Got something big on the cut bait. Something big. Oh dear. We have stopped with the trout for today. Even though this looks trouty, it isn't. We're going to be doing some beach fishing for an hour. See what's around here, if anything. Very hit and miss. But when it's a hit, it's a hit. Look at all the shads. Holy cow, they ran the creek. That was between the last time I was here and now. Oh my god. Look, I got a brown. Look at that, right off the hop.
Right off the hop. Cast, zero cast.
That was definitely a bite though.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
I don't think there might be a fish on yet.
Talking bullheads.
Yeah,
Your weights.
There's a fish on it.
Your weights paid off for the bullheads.
Yes. They made just in the nick of time. Elon Musk weights. What do we have here?
Oh shit. I just no.
Yes, bullhead. Yes.
So Christopher Whitten bought $400 weights from England specifically for bullheads.
So if you're gonna do something, you do it right. That's my motto. So you can't go bullhead fishing without the absolute supreme, ultimate, the guru of bullhead leads. So that's what you need to catch these guys.
Yes. Little bastard hit it hard.
Yeah. Oh, that shrimp. There we go. That's a fish we're catching this weekend.
Quit throwing the meat back. Can't catch bullheads on just a hook and sinker. God's sakes, I'm screwed. I'm not sure if we get anything out of it though. They seem to be out further.
Oh, yeah.
I'm on. Definitely a fish this time. Yes, a target species. I didn't even need your special weight. Out here on the beach today catching bullheads. Yeah, at least he's big. Poo 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 pee pee pow. Nice gentle release for my favorite fish in the world. Really respect them. Spot number 76. We're finally doing the catfish thing. We probably should have done all day.
Yeah.
If we slaughter here, then we know what to do tomorrow. That's all. Things are happening on the cut bait. Got it. Big bowfin. Not as big as I thought, actually. Yes. Maybe not, I guess. It's funny, last year we never caught one here.
Very nice. Very nice.
Why, thank you. Beautiful male.
Oh, is that with a trout head? Or no?
Chub.
Trout head. Oh, perfect. You good?
So yeah, there we go. Today's first fish for me. Oh no, I guess third fish, but first real fish, bowfin. Beautiful male. I love the chartreuse. This fish hooked up with something.
You got some. I think it's a bullhead, or maybe a small bullfin.
Not a bowfin.
No.
It's a channel cat. It could be a bullhead, but it's a big one. It's gotta be a channel cat or a drum. That ain't small, bro. Oh no! Oh!
That's fitting for me. Pulling too hard, getting too fit, not fancy, but too
I
excited.
think that was like a 10-pound cat.
Wow, man.
That's good though, at least they're here.
Yeah, fish are here.
Yeah.
Not bad, not bad.
Weightless corn.
Circle hook?
No, just a number 4, I think. It ain't very big. It's fighting well though.
How many kernels on the hook?
Like a 4-inch corn chain. Screw catfish. Look at these things, man. Holy cow. Probably like a 10-pounder. It's not even big. Then he's fighting this thing till 8 o'clock. 10. It doesn't want to move. Maybe bigger than I thought.
Okay, we're back here, day 2. Richard is still fighting the same fish.
It's Wednesday. Haven't eaten. Oh,
Send more chum.
your hair just got bumped again. I feel so underpowered right now. It's like, it's a salmon rod. Nice doubles. Yep. Oh. Oh, my fish is ready. No! Oh, we just fought that for 20 minutes and never even saw it. Christopher has a carp on.
I feel like I'm tangled somewhere.
Yeah, your other line.
No, I think I'm good.
No, you're definitely in your other line.
There we go.
Unless there's a fish on it. I will go do it.
Yep. Yep. Go this way. And under. I think that's it.
I still feel it.
I feel it too. Let's see.
It is literally around.
Yeah, you have to go. That rod has to go up and over.
It's literally wrapped around, man.
That's okay. We'll just land a fish. And we'll be done with it.
Shit. Shit. Now the other rods.
Oh, the other rods, yep.
Oh, well, there we go. That's out. Nice. Beautiful.
Bong bong. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Oh. I got some. What the hell? He was right in here.
Oh wow.
Another bowfin for me. And
I don't know if I'm getting bit or if we're tangled.
I don't think we're tangled. Maybe. Is that a bass?
It's a largie.
That is the first one I've ever caught here.
Nice, nice. I don't have my camera on.
Giant bass.
You good?
Yeah. What the hell?
Big old bass.
Giant bass.
Nice.
The old chub head.
Yep.
Solid 3.
Doesn't it catch?
So well, he's like a 2.5. Yeah, nice though.
Nice one, man.
Giant bass. That's never in my life have I caught one here. Caught smallies, but never a largemouth. Oh, another one. Oh, flickable. Oh God. Oh dear God. Well, it's certainly the year of the carp in here. Holy. Give it up pretty quick. Oh, that's a good one. I might take a picture with that one.
Want to get the mat?
Sure, yeah. Solid. Holy.
That's a good fish.
What a belly.
That's a good fish.
And it actually ate it properly. Weightless corn.
Pow-pow!
Okay. Egg wagon. Get the row. Oh, Jesus.
Go there, put them in the water, and then whatever.
Oh. Oh, okay. Yep.
You want to release, or do you want to do photos on your phone?
No, let's just release it. Yeah. I'm not too worried about it being magazine quality. I wish someone was here to take a picture when I got the big one. Wonderful. 0 channel cats, but there's no lack of carp. And there's a lot bigger ones than that.
That's a pretty big carp that just disappears in 7-8 inches of water.
I know, eh? It's crazy. Hey, got something big on the cut bait. Something big. Oh dear. He was playing with it forever. Whatever it is, I think this one's a channel cat. Just in case. What is that? It's huge.
Oh, that's a channel cat.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that's a big channel cat. Nice.
That's not that big if it's a channel cat. It is a channel cat though. I mean, it's a good one. Thought I had a giant pike on when it first jumped. Well, it only took all freaking day. We got the other of the target species on the line. Oh, see, that's a good one. Oh shit, yeah. I'm definitely taking a photo because that's the biggest one this year. By far.
Where do you want to go?
You want to go over to the mat?
Oh, Matt, sounds good.
'Cause I'm pretty sure you just had a little warning there. Oh, Jesus. Oh my god, that is a
Nice.
good one. It's bigger than I thought. Look at his head!
Whoa. That is a big fat head. Put your big head. Look at that.
Bro, that's like a 15-pounder.
I got a couple of them.
Okay.
Good fish spot, too.
Okay, bud. Like belly is dragging on the bottom. Well, that was cool. That was very cool.
Real bad. Found it. Or both. And two.
Oh, warning!
Warning. Warning.
That was a...
Oh, way down. Oh.
I didn't even stop recording. This is... We got that evening catfish bite going on, I think.
Hey. It's all mud here, it is.
It is, yes. Don't worry. Bowfin, nice.
Bowfin.
Hey.
Oh, got hooked. Yeah, crispy doing work. Right here's good. Right here's fine. You go do your thing. Perfect. Thanks, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not bad. Munching. Oh yeah. Mudfish.
Kick ass.
Very good.
Name ass and take kicks. So yeah, Christopher's got a fish on it. Another bowfin.
Yeah. My camera's not working.
God. Nice if we get like a 12-pound female bowfin tomorrow. Yeah, another bowfin.
Very good, very good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Very nice. Oh!
Oh no.
Very nice.
Perfect.
Okay, folks, I think that's going to wrap up today. I'm pretty much ready to go here. As long as you're okay with that.
I'm good with that.
Oh, nice.
Okay. It's cold, I know.
Red skies at night, sailor's delight. It's gonna be calm tomorrow.
Sounds good to me. Yeah. All right, let's do it. Peace.
Okay, so yeah, if you like this video, leave a like down below, leave a comment down below, and consider subscribing. I love you, bye.